You've definitely come across this video at least once in your life if you are here right now. And let me tell you, if you have looked up the lyrics on YouTube, they are all wrong. So, let's break it down.
走れソリよ風のように月見原をパドルパドル
Hashire comes from the verb hashiru, to run. In its imperative form, godantai verb last u sound becomes a hashire. And that's all. Now this becomes an order. Run.
Distinguished lady.
Sori means sled. Yo is a sentence ending particle that adds emphasis to a sentence. It's also used when you're dropping new information to your listener. Kaze means wind or breeze. Cool fact. We also have this word kaze, which is pronounced the same despite being written with one more kanji. And it means cold, as in the illness. Next we have noyoni, and this is used for the following structure. It means like tori no yoni tobu, to fly like a bird. Penguin no yoni aruku, to walk like a penguin. Yuki no yoni shiroi doresu, white like a snow dress. By the way, we also have noyona, and this is used for the following structure. As you can see, instead of ni, we use na here. Hana no yona kaori, a fragrance like flowers. Eiga no yona keshiki, a view like movies. Yume no yona shizuka na yoru, a silent night like a dream.
Hold up, I have a question. In this previous example, why is it ni instead of na? I know that shiroi is an e adjective, but it's modifying a noun, so doesn't it make it a noun?
You have a keen eye, my friend. Actually, both make sense, but the meaning changes a little. In the first one, because it is ni, yuki no yoni focuses on the e adjective, so this works as a block. White like a snow. White like a snow dress. The thing that is like a snow is the e adjective white. In the second one, because it is na, yuki no yona focuses on the noun, so it is not white like a snow, but rather white dress like a snow. The thing that is like a snow is the noun white dress. Considering all these examples, this means run sled like the wind. However, this is actually a poetic kind of arrangement. In a more natural order, it would be Sori, kaze no yoni hashire yo. In songs, the word order often changes to create a more artistic or poetic flow. Alright, let's keep going. Tsukimihara is the name of a fictional academy in the game from which this clip is taken. The name is composed of the kanji for moon, sea, and original, or meadow. O is a particle that indicates the direct object, but it has another usage, which is marking an area traversed. For example, Roka wa aruita, I walked through the corridor. Kawa o yoida, I swam across the river. Gakkou no mae o totta, I passed by the front of the school. O marks the area being traversed, and the verb indicates how the area is being traversed. And finally, we have
padoru padoru,
which means paddle paddle. So, combining this with what we covered earlier, we get something along the lines of we paddle paddle across Tsukimihara. There you have it, that's the whole thing. If you want a part 2 analyzing the original song, leave a comment. Like and subscribe if you find this content useful, and activate the notification bell to become even more handsome or beautiful than you already are. Also, YouTube thinks this video might be of interest to you. See you in the next video. Ja ne!